Jai Srimannarayana. 24th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nabhasprusam Deeptamanekavarnam Vyattananam Deeptavisalanetram दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यथितान्तरात्मा धृतिर्न विन्दामि शमं च विष्णो ॐ. Realize that most of the times it is very impossible to perceive Sri Krishna Paramatma's all-pervaded divine Visvarupam, which is incomparable in its magnitude. That is why, as per Vedic scriptures, try to get one small, pleasant Sri Krishna Paramatma's Vigraham and keep it at home and be devoted to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely get one small pleasant, your divine Vigraham, keep it at home and I will be devoted to you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam murtadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 176th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama and Krishna, they were taking care of calves on the banks of river Yamuna. At that time, one demon came and got into one calf. He is Vatsasura. Krishna noticed that, and then Harihi Darsayan Baladevaya Shanaihi Mugdhaiva Asadat. He also has shown it to Balarama. He told Balarama that one demon got into one calf. And then Krishna slowly went all the way near to that calf. Idiyoka manchilega vinudentayunoppedinanchu dani tatpadamulu tokayun bigiyapatti. He went to that calf and appraising that calf is so good, looking so good, and telling everyone that how good it is behaving. Like that, while praising, Krishna went to the back of the calf and held the legs of the calf along with Gruhitva Aparapadabhyam Sahalangula Machyutaha, along with the tail. And then he revolved in the air and hit to another tree which is right next to there. The tree is Velaga tree. Then Brahmayitva Kapithagre Prahinot. Krishna held the tail and tied the back two legs with the tail. Then he revolved and hit to the tree. With that heavy, strong stroke, that Vatsasura died and fell down. Not only Vatsasura, but also that tree fell down. Tree was totally unrooted. By then, actually, there was another demon got into the tree. His name is Kapithasura. So Krishna hit one Rakshasa to other Rakshasa. With one stroke, both Rakshasas, Vatsasura, Kapithasura, both of them died and fell down. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 24th sloka. Nabhasprusam deeptam aneka varnam. Vyattananam deepta vishalanetram. Drishtva hitvam pravyadhitantaratma. Dhritinna vindami syamancha Vishnu. Nabhasprusam deeptam aneka varnam. Vyattananam deepta vishalanetram. Drishtva hitvam pravyadhitantaratma. Dhritinna vindami syamancha Vishnu. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.